Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can delete someone from Asana. So let's say you don't want someone on your team anymore, you don't want someone on your projects anymore. How do you remove that person? Well, it's very simple. You just head over here to the project members by clicking on the names on the top right corner. Click on it. I don't know why I'm hesitating. But yeah, you'll see here that there's someone like this guy here. If you want to remove him, just click on the role that he has and click remove from project. And now he's no longer in the project. But he's you want to remove him from somewhere else as well. Let's just try to remove him as much as possible from anywhere from the face of the earth, even at this team. So how do you remove someone from this team? Just click on the invite teammates here on the sample team, and then you'll see that he's a member. Click on member and click on remove from team, and it should remove, and then click on remove access and it should remove him from the team too. So that's it. That's how you delete someone from Asana, remove someone from the team or your projects. It's that simple. Hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.